Hey, I'm back again doing a video of the pop-on veneers. This is not my first time having a pop-on veneers. Actually, this is my second go-round with the pop-on veneers. This time when I went and got them, I got the Hollywood white ones. The first time when I got them, I got the natural white, which is right here, but I misplaced my top. But I'm still gonna keep these because one thing about pop-on veneers, you don't have to get both sets at the same time. You can get top or bottom. So I'm gonna keep these, and then eventually I'm gonna get the top to replace the ones that I lost. It wasn't on them, it was my fault. I lost, but I still got them. Now, when I ordered again, I went and got the the Hollywood white. I wanted to do something different. You know what I'm saying? I already got these, so ain't no need for me going and get the same pair. Let me try the Hollywood white ones, which is ones, these the ones I got right here. These the ones right here. You pop them in, come on. That's simple. You can eat in them. You can talk in them regular. It don't mess up your voice. Don't give you no lips or nothing like that. They come and um, Then it comes with this, a case. Usually have pop-on veneers right here. This is one of my old ones. I had it for a minute, so but I still got it. Pop up with the mirror in there, and you can store the pop-on veneers in there. As you see, these are my natural white ones. So it's easy to do. They send you the mold, and you can do what you can do. You can, you know what I'm saying? You can, you can feel yourself. You can look yourself. You can, you know, just be natural, just like my shirt say, talk to me nice, which is my clothing line. So when I put them on, I feel confident, I feel free. I don't feel nobody looking at me about, you know what I'm saying, my smile. I'm confident how I move and how I act and how I talk. So go get them pop-on veneers. Look, they send it to you, send them the mold, they send you back your pop-on veneers that fit your mouth to the T for them and for you. And for them because you're showing the world what they can do for you. Pop on veneers. I've been with them for 2 years, going on three. Like I said, this is my second order. So now any orders that I do, I get discounts now because I am, like I said, a value customer. I had the natural white ones, and I also have the Hollywood white ones. And they also have another color too, like kind of like a yellowish or some other color like that. That color is not for me because I am a young, handsome man and I like to have my whites pearly. That's why I got the natural white and I got the Hollywood white. So you can switch which ones you want to do. You can talk in them, of course. When I say talk in them, they don't have to be, you know what I'm saying? Some people talk crazy with them. Or you can eat in them. You can do whatever you want with them. Feel confident in your smile and what you do. Go to Pop on Veneers. I've been with them for 2 years, going on three. My second order, I probably gonna do a few more just cause I ain't gonna lose these ones. Talk to me nice. You got no choice with Pop on Veneers.